Welcome to my YouTube channel Automobile Guru. Today we are going to see the cooling system used to cool down engines in automobiles. The topic name is thermosiphon system. Here I have drawn a diagram for the thermosiphon system. Here you can see that the diagram contains two chambers A and B, where we can see the heat is supplied at chamber A like this. At chamber A we are supplying heat. Because of heat, the water contained in A evaporates and the evaporated water goes through this tube and the hot evaporated water comes to chamber B. As it is low in density, it moves up and comes to B. Here the at B position, at B container, it comes into contact with cold air and becomes cool down and becomes more dense. Now the cold water comes to chamber B. Now the higher density of cold water makes it to flow through this P2 pipe, and again the cold water comes to container A. In this way, the whole process of flowing takes place inside the thermosiphon system. As you can see, we are not using any kind of pump or motor to flow this water from container A to container B. So that is why it is a natural process happening because of density difference between hot water and cold water. In this way, the thermosiphon system works, and regularly the cold water comes into this A chamber and the hot water goes to the B chamber. It is very easy to understand. In real life, this container A is a engine and container B is a radiator. So in engine we are supplying heat, and because of heat the water evaporates and through pipe P1 it goes to container B, that is a radiator. So in radiator we cools down the hot water. This hot water again, because of higher density, it is goes down and through P2 it is going to container A. In this way the thermosiphon system works in a engine. Thank you guys for your attention. Next we will see other kind of cooling systems applied in automobile engines. Thank you.